I'm here on the Flyability booth with Alex. Alex, you guys have a collision tolerant drone.
Yes, we do.
What is this?
So this right here is called the Helios.
Right.
The Helios is a drone for indoor asset inspection. As you can see, it's decoupled from the cage,
right.
Meaning that it won't only absorb shock through rotational movement, it also allows you to get up against the surface of an asset and roll against it, staying stable the whole time, getting a really good view of what it is you're trying to look at.
So you can position it on the wall, the surface.
Absolutely.
Okay, sweet.
The Helios comes mounted with very powerful LEDs that are both on the side, the top, and the bottom. The camera has a 180-degree angle, meaning you can look all the way up, all the way down. It's also equipped with full HD camera and a thermal FLIR type camera.
Ah, so you've got the FLIR in there.
Absolutely, which is very helpful in finding things such as steam leaks, condensation points. It'll basically show you any kind of big difference in temperature.
Okay.
That's what you're looking at.
Now, what kind of use cases? Where would somebody use this stuff?
So for the power generation industry, it's used in a lot of boilers, stacks, persigs, pipes, and also tanks. But it's also used in a whole lot of different industries. Public safety is a pretty big use case for this drone. We also use it in chemicals, oil and gas. Basically any kind of asset that are indoors that may be either very hard to access or places you don't want to send human beings in because they're dangerous. Yeah. Typically nuclear as well. A lot of nuclear plants are equipped with a couple of these units, so they can send them in high dose areas to get a visual on suspected leaks, on even to go read meters in high radiation areas.
Now, if I'm sending that into an area, does it need to be, I wouldn't say gas-free, but can there be smoke? Is it, because a lot of these places would be pretty dirty places, right?
Well, there's as many answers to that as there are assets out there.
Right.
Basically, it's like any other drone. It's not intrinsically safe, meaning that there's a lot of electrostatic.
Okay, so sorry, when I say gases, it wouldn't be into a propane tank. But it would just be that if there's smoke or dust or whatever.
Yeah. So this will fly fine in a smoky environment. It can take quite a bit of heat, fly up to 120 Fahrenheit. It can go in smoke, it can go in dust, it can go in fine particles such as ashes and all that, and make its way through there, give you a good visual of something without actually having to send a human being in there.
Wow. So let's see it in action. So you're putting it through an obstacle course right now to show the capabilities, right?
Absolutely. You can see it's easily maneuverable. It can make its way around something. You don't have to get it right close.
So you can actually touch the sides and that, right?
The whole point of this is that you can manipulate the drone, go through different obstacles by using the surfaces around you. You don't have to do it right yourself. They'll figure it out on its own.
So it's not like a game where you have to minutely get it through without touching the sides.
Yeah, absolutely. And as you can see, it's equipped with very powerful LEDs. The drone is fully rotational. You maybe want to take a look at the
live view here.
Yep. You may want to take a look at the camera. You can see what's going on up, down, adjust it back, and then we're going to turn on the thermal vision right here. Oh, that's point of interest. And there you go.
Wow.
Now you can see us right here.
So if I'm inside, as you said earlier, a nuclear plant or a power plant, I can detect for leaks or sources of heat that shouldn't be there.
Exactly. If you see a big difference in temperature, you'll be able to find it on this camera, meaning that you can find cold spots or hot spots.
Obviously, putting a unit like this into a dangerous place, the amount of time you save for not having someone to suit up and all the safety protocols.
You save a lot of time, you save a lot on health, and also if places where you need scaffolding or ropes or baskets to get up there, with this, minimal time, minimal cost, minimal effort.
And now, you may always have to send a guy up afterwards to manually fix something, but at least you get the inspection far quicker and safer.
Exactly. It doesn't take away the need to set scaffolding when you need it, but at least you know exactly where you need to.
Exactly. Wow. Hey, cool. Come here. Thank you very much. Thank you.